Hi there, Chris here. I have this Yale Railroad Switch lock. It's really heavy. I mean, it's just solid steel. Steel? Well, it looks kind of like brass, but I think it's steel. I mean, it's heavy. Maybe it's all brass. I don't know. Anyway, this is what it looks like on the back, and weighs a ton. This is the key. Not sure. I can't get that to really work for me here. Sheesh. Well, I guess we're not going to see it. There we go. Jeez. I really can't quite make that out. But there's a number on there, and it says the Yale Town and Company, Yale and Town Manufacturing Company. So that's the bidding. Does work smooth as butter. Pardon me. Let's see if I can get in here. Hot tensioner doesn't work too good. Let's try the other edge. That might work. I should have weighed this to see how much it weighs. I'm going to try and rake it. I'm going to go with a Mad Bob large snaky rake. Okay, now I'm stuck. There we go. That just doesn't feel like it's doing anything. A couple pins, but there's more than a couple pins in there. I'm going to try this other Mad Bob rake on the Mad Bob jackknife. Trying different tensions. Pretty good. Let's try the Sparrow's double peak. And whatever sets I get with this, I think I'll then go in and see if I can single pin pick it. I'm not feeling really great. Okay, obviously not going to open with the clock. See if I can zoom in a little bit. Feels like there's wafers in it, so it might be master keyed. Very little feedback. It's kind of hard to maintain light tension because I'm holding a heavy object. Even though I'm resting it on the bench or the mat. I can't really gut this without destroying the back plate, which I don't really want to do. So. But I sure would like to pick it. I think I featured it on Naughty Bucket Friday once, and with no results, or, you know, didn't open it. I'm just getting no feedback. Son of a bitch. Look at that. It opened. Wow. Okay, so yeah, we're real and truly opened. Dang. So, oops. Let's just show this. It's massive. I mean, there's my finger. It's almost big as my finger. Holy moly. Well, that was a great, exciting, cool open. I'm going to keep it open just because that's so cool. I'll show the key again. Not terribly hard bidding, but, you know, a lot of pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pin. There's the back of it. And like I say, the only way to get in here would be to, you know, cut these off, try and pry them out to get in, and no, it's too cool to jack with. Anyway, how about that, Slinky? Slinky's off to the right here, watching me. Yeah, make a comment. Leave a comment, hit the like, subscribe, and tune in tomorrow. Tomorrow is my 1-year anniversary, and I'll do a video and probably announce some sort of giveaway for that. So anyway, yeah, thanks. Definitely hit the like, definitely leave a comment. We'll see you next time.